lovely friends, welcome back to Honey's Food Hill. Thank you for joining me. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make lemon scones. These lemon scones are so easy to make, and I'm just going to go straight to the point. So in a larger bowl, I'm bringing in 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And we are going to start by combining all our dried ingredients together. So I'm adding in a 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 1½ teaspoon of baking soda, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder. I will then whisk everything to combine. Next, just go ahead and grate in 1/3 cup of cold butter into the flour. Next, I'm just going to use my hand to rub the butter into the flour. So you have to make sure your hands are clean when you're doing this. So just mix up everything until the flour appears crumbly. Once the flour appears crumbly like this, I'm just going to set it aside. In another bowl, I'm going to be bringing all the wet ingredients together. So here I'm going to be adding 1 egg, a 1/3 cup of milk, and because we're making lemon scones, I'm going to be adding 4 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. This will give a tangy flavor to our lemon scones. I'm also adding in 2½ teaspoons of lemon zest. After this, I'm just going to whisk everything together. You can add vanilla if you want, but I'm just going to skip that because I love the flavor of the lemon and I don't want it to be overwhelmed. I'm just going to make a pit in the middle of the flour, then bring in the wet ingredients. I'll gently fold in everything with a spatula. Once the flour is moistened and the dough is formed, I'm just going to transfer this to a lightly floured surface. And I'm going to gently knead the dough. Once I have a smooth dough and the dough is not sticky anymore, I'm going to roll the dough out with a rolling pin. So I'm just going to dust my rolling pin with some flour. Next, I'm going to use a cookie cutter to cut out the dough. So just make sure your dough is rolled out to 1 inch thickness. Once you've cut this out, just lift the excess out. You can rejoin them and mold them again. Now I'm going to transfer to a baking sheet lined with a parchment paper. Just make sure you space them. After that, I'm just going to glaze the surface of my scones with egg wash. Next, I'm going to place this in a preheated oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Once your lemon scones are out of the oven, let them cool down on a rack for 10 minutes. Our easy lemon scones are ready. These are quite delicious and they can be very addictive, so better be careful. Let me know in the comment section below how you glaze your own lemon scones. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to share this video and also give me a thumbs up if you are new to this channel. Please subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Until next time guys, enjoy your lemon scones. Bye.